more finalists in the beginner category, ages 12 to 15. So if you hear your numbers, you have to make your way backstage. Female, beginner, ages 12 to 15. Contestants numbers 92, 96, 97, 102, 103, and 105. Again, 92, 96, 97, 102, 103, and 105. Beginner age 12 to 15, Kane, contestant number 108. Again, contestant numbers 108. Advanced female ages 12 to 15, 114, 120, 122, 131, 133, 136.
Once again, if your number is called out, we need you to go in the back and get yourself together, okay? If your number's been called, we need you to go in the back to get ready.
Moving on, in the advanced category 12 to 15, Kane, numbers 143 and 144. Again, advanced Kane, age 12 to 15, 143 and 144. Beginner female, ages 16 to 20. Contestants numbers 150, 151, 154, 156, 157, and 160. Beginner Kane, ages 16 to 20. Again, beginner. Contestants numbers 167, 168, 169, and 170. Advanced female, ages 16 to 20. Contestants numbers 174, 186, 187, 190, 195, and 197. I'm going to reiterate the beginner categories from ages 5 to 7 to 8 through 11, just so that we're clear and we have everyone backstage. Female beginner category, ages 5 to 7, the numbers are 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 11. Beginner male 5 to 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Advanced female, ages 5 to 7, 23, 24, 25, and male, contestants numbers 29. Beginner age 8 to 11, female, contestants numbers 38, 43, 49, 50, 53, and 55. Beginner male, 8 to 11, contestants numbers 59 and 60. Advanced female, 8 to 11, contestants numbers 65, 68, 69, 70, 75, and 79. Advanced male, 8 to 11, contestants numbers 84, 85, 86, and 87. Bingo! And here we go. We're going to start finals. We're going to start with our first category, female ages 5 to 7. We're going to bring our little wahine onto the stage now. Where are they? Come on, ladies. Are we ready back there? There we go. Here they are. So, we're going to bring to the stage contestants numbers 2 and 4. Beginners, Bahine, Kamahine, in ages 5 to 7. Judges,
You notice they're going to be wearing mores this time around. Once again, these are our finalists. These are our finalists, and our first two in this age category is number 2 and 4. Our judges, are we ready? Drummers, take it away. How about a great big round of applause for our two little ones, numbers 2 and 4. Take a bow, ladies. Let the judges see your numbers, and you come to the right, 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 and to the right. Thank you so much. Coming up, we've got number 7 and number 8. Number 7 and number 8. Look at these cuties. Oh my goodness. So adorable. Costumes are so cute. They're like little dolls.
You want to take one home?
I'll take them all. Don't forget, you too can enter your kids into these competition. We have this every year. All ages. We don't hold back. We all ages, okay? All right, yo. And judges, are we ready? Drummers, take it away. There you have it, number 7 and 8. Great job, girls. Lovely. A lot of energy. Smiles are so bright. Take a bow, ladies. Take a bow. Let the judges see your numbers. And you may exit to your right. Thank you so much and good luck to both of you. Next, our last two is number 10 and number 11. Number 10 and number 11. These are our last two finalists in the age category of 5 to 7 as beginners. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh yeah, you can scream for your favorites up here. You're allowed to. That's right. Just let it all out. All right. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. job, ladies. Let the judges see your numbers. Take a bow, and you may exit on out to the right. Thank you so much. How about another great big round of applause for our little ones, all in this age category, 5 to 7. Wonderful job and good luck to each and every one of you. Coming up is our male beginners. First, we've got number 16, 17, and 18. 16, 17, and 18. How cute. These are our 5-year-olds to 7. Our little warriors here. Wow, look at this, ready. They ain't playing today. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away.
Good job, young men. Oh yeah. You can stand up so that the judges can see your numbers and take a bow. Thank you.
Okay, guys.
You can get up now.
You can get up. Take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow.
Throw kisses to your family.
Okay. Come on, give it up. Give them a great big round of applause.
Oh my gosh, look at that face.
And our last two is number 19 and number 20. Ages 5 to 7. Oh my gosh. You two can separate, you know, got a big gym floor. There you go, separate, separate. Oh yeah, once again, these are our last two finalists in this age category of 5 to 7. And our judges are ready? Drummers, take it away.
Take a bow, yeah, there you go. And exit to your right, come this way, come this way. Good job. Advanced category ages 5 to 7. We have contestants numbers. Are we ready to go over there? advanced age, no, they're not there. So, we'd like to thank some of our sponsors right now. Tahiti Tourism, Checkboard for live streaming, and Bryson, the photographer sitting right there. Say cheese, everyone, wave to everyone once again. Checkboard is a live streaming company and they're streaming this event as we speak. So as we're speaking, we're going to bring our next group of young women up to the stage. Advanced female, ages 5 to 7. We have contestants numbers 23, 24, and 25. Judges are ready. Drummers.
That was our females, ages 5 to 7, our finalists. Make sure the judges can see your numbers, lovely ladies. And you may exit to the right. Thank you so much. Another great big round of applause. In that same age category, our one and only, number 29. Oh yeah. Number 29 in our male. Our one and only male in the age category 5 to 7. And judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Number 29, and that brings us to the conclusion of that age category. And coming up,
Age category 8 to 11 in the beginner division, female. We have contestants numbers 38 and 43. Again, female, beginner category ages 8 to 11. Contestants numbers 38 and 43. Judges are ready. Drummers. believe the judges are just about ready. Good job, ladies. Take a bow.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank
You
you.
may exit to the right. Coming up, we've got number 49 and 50. Numbers 49 and 50. Good luck to you, ladies. Once again, this is our finalists for the ages 8 to 11. 8 to 11. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away.
Contestants numbers 49 and 50. Female ages 8 to 11. Thank you, ladies. Our last two young women. Let's bring them right onto the stage. This is contestants numbers 53 and 55.
Once again, these are our last two finalists in the age category of 8 to 11, number 53 and 55. Our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away.